Hey everyone, Tara Tesher here with a brand new Tara's Must Have. What's a Tara's Must Have? It's an item or a collection that I have curated just for you. That's pretty, it's practical, and it's purposeful. And if you haven't checked out our Basketweave yet, come on in, because I have to tell you, it's gorgeous. It's completely sculptural. So when I run my nails around it, you know that 360 degrees, you have a beautiful sculptural detail, which actually creates a roadmap for the artisans to then go and hand paint. So all of these brush strokes, everything that you see here is all done by hand. Then we have the tea staining that goes at the bottom of it and the background of it that pops those colors to life. Look at the inside. Even the inside is beautifully hand painted. You have that overall color saturation that you see here. You have a fluting rim that runs around the edges, and you have that beading that gives it that basket detail. 2 quart in total capacity, snap-on storage cover, and at the heart of it, it's what we love about our stoneware. The fact that this one piece can go in the oven up to 500 degrees so you can broil in it. It can go in the microwave when you want to reheat things. It goes in the fridge, it goes in the freezer, and of course it goes in the dishwasher, which we love. 2 patterns available, Old World and Floral Lace. I'm showing you the Floral Lace. Take a peek at the Old World that we have here. Remember I told you that snap-on storage cover? Literally prepping, cooking, serving, and storing all in one dish. And look at how beautiful that Floral Lace is. So when you head over to Temp-tations.com, this 2 quart oval baker is under $15. But it's only for a limited time. So head on over to Temp-tations.com, pick your pattern, pick your color, and I promise you, if you've never tried Temp-tations before, great way to get started. And if you haven't, if you've ever heard of that gift closet, tuck this aside, because for under $15 to get a hand-painted, hand-done piece of stoneware that you can prep, cook, serve, and store in, that is a great gift.